This video tutorial will give you an understanding of the information and basic knobology associated with the Fire and Smoke Map version 4.0. Starting at the main page, which is fire.airnow.gov, you have three options to begin looking at sensor data. A note with respect to sensor data: the map will show fine particulate pollution from wildfires and other sources, but does not show air toxics or other pollutants. If you have your web browser set to geolocate, you can use this option. You can also search for a location by entering a city, state, area, or even a street address, and the map will be centered on that location. Or, for the purposes of this tutorial, you can simply select Skip, and the map will be centered in the middle of the United States. In the upper right-hand corner, you will find three blue buttons. Let's quickly explore the information here. The first button provides you with information related to the map. You can go ahead and explore these options on your own, but I would like to highlight the What is the AQI option. This section houses relevant information related to the Air Quality Index, or AQI, and has the color scale and categories of AQI. Select the Learn More about the AQI link, and this will display a very relevant chart of air quality related to categories and their descriptions. The next button, which looks like a map marker, will allow you to view monitors in and around a particular area at the same time. If we put in a location, for example, city and state, you will then see a vertical list of air quality monitors in and around that location. The final button in the upper right-hand corner is the Settings button. Here you can toggle on and off a variety of information related to which air quality sensors to display, smoke plumes and outlooks, and fire information such as fire incidents, perimeters, and detections. You can also change base maps. Lastly, in the lower right-hand corner is the Legend button. Selecting it provides you with the AQI chart, the icons used on the map for fires, smoke plumes, and smoke outlooks, definitions to a few terms, and air quality observations. Note the large air quality OBS are permanent stations, the ones labeled with a T are temporary stations, and the small circles represent purple air stations. Now that you have this basic information, the next video tutorial will examine station data.